Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can earn money just by using ClickBank and a handful of smoothie recipes you can find online for free. How is that possible? Well, we're using a method called affiliate marketing that allows you to promote other people's products, then collect a commission every single time someone makes a purchase. So you don't even need to create your own product or build a full-fledged website, and you don't need to handle any shipping or handling or even returns. All you need to do is get yourself a handful of smoothie recipes, which I'll show you why and where you can get them for free, and follow these simple steps to start an online business and begin generating $100 a day online. Alright, on to today's video where I show you how to make money online using a handful of smoothie recipes that you can find for free. First, what is affiliate marketing? It's simple, effective way to make money online. It involves referring people to an offer and collecting a commission when people buy. Here's an overview of the affiliate marketing process. First, find a product or service you would like to promote. Today, we will be showing you how to find a good offer on ClickBank.com. There's a variety of companies that will allow you to be affiliates with them, like Amazon or Walmart. Next, send traffic to that offer and invite visitors to make a purchase. Each time someone purchases through your affiliate link, you'll receive a commission. Next, it's vital to follow up with everyone that you come in contact with, whether they make a purchase or not. Make sure you're collecting email addresses so that you can build a relationship with them. Through the process of communicating with your email list, focus on adding value and building trust. This is essential as you're collecting content and building your personal brand. Offer a variety of offers that will be of value to your list. This is meant by creating an ecosystem. Think about brands like Apple for just a moment. They offer phones, watches, tablets, computers, and accessories for all these products. They've created products and services that stack nicely on top of each other, making it obvious to buy Apple once you've purchased even just one of their products. Model your business after theirs and you'll be positioned to make money in the long run. Okay, now let's jump in and talk about ClickBank. ClickBank is a website that pulls all your best affiliate marketing offers in one place so that you could create a free account with them. You can instantly promote any of their products and collect a commission. Be specific. They allow businesses to promote their products and services and allow affiliate marketers to come and find and promote those products and services. Here are some benefits of using ClickBank that I'd like to share with you. It's free to sign up. They feature a variety of different offers in every single niche you can think of. Commission rates are typically very good. New offers are being added all the time. Speaking of niches, here's a list. Health and wellness, online business, making money online, relationships. Today I want to show you an offer I found called the Smoothie Diet, where you can earn up to $100 for just one sale. Step 1 is to sign up and log into your ClickBank account. After doing so, click the marketplace icon on the left, highlighted in the green circle, to access the affiliate offer on ClickBank. Next, head up to the search bar and search for weight loss. Now you'll want to filter the search results by gravity. Gravity is the amount of unique affiliates that have made a sale in the past week or so. Next, scroll down to the Smoothie Diet, We can see here that the average dollar amount per commission with this offer is $28.61. We can see in the description, though, that there are bump sales and upsells that make it possible to earn $100 per sale. Next, click Promote to get your affiliate link. A screen will pop up and provide you with a hop link. This is simply your affiliate link. Copy and paste this into a safe place to use later on. One of the reasons why this type of offer, the smoothie diet, works is because many people are passionate about living a healthy lifestyle and losing weight in the process. In order to make the most of this affiliate offer, it is vital to build out an actual sales funnel. This will enable you to capture an email address and offer multiple products and services to your prospective customers. The first step is to build an opt-in page which offers a free gift in exchange for an email address. Since this offer is for a smoothie diet, you can put together a PDF of smoothie recipes and offer it for free. You could go to Google and search smoothie recipes, then put together a document that has 15 to 20 of these top recipes. Second step is to build a thank you page that not only gives them the free smoothie guide, but then directs them to an offer like the smoothie diet where you can literally make up to $100 per sale just from sharing free smoothie recipes. This third step is to follow up with your email subscribers. Remember, not everyone is going to buy the first time around, so this is your chance to follow up with them and even send other affiliate offers they might like. You might be asking, how do I actually put this together? The short answer is that you'll need some tools first. First is ClickFunnels. This service allows you to build opt-in pages and thank you pages. They have templates that you can plug in and use right after signing up for the account. They also have a free 14-day trial so that you can test our system before using it. Click the link below to get started today. Next, I recommend GetResponse to help you manage your contacts and email both prospects and buyers. GetResponse also has a free trial. Theirs is a 30-day long, and you can sign up by using the link in the description as well. And there's ClickBank, which we've already discussed. Let's chat for a second about your long-term strategy. We ain't in this for a quick buck. We're in this to build a business. That means offering more than just one product and actually building relationships. What this means is that it is crucial for you to collect email addresses, add value, and be of service to your prospective customers. So, you take this advice and try this method out for yourself. But if you're thinking to yourself, how do I build an email address? What kind of email should I send? I get it. It can be overwhelming to set up an online business like this, especially if you are doing it for the first time. To make things as easy as possible, I'm sharing with you a completely free training that will dive into specifics on how to get this set up. In this training, we will cover how to build a business with multiple offers, a done-for-you system that will provide you with funnels and emails. Traffic, how to get it and how to make it work. Products with high commission rates. If you stuck around for this long, then this training is for you. It's the next step in your journey to building an online business. Click the link below to head to that training now. Until next time, I wish you the best in your business ventures.